Well, Delin Capital Asset Management, as you know, it's investing its maiden Core Plus fund, Capital Preservation Portfolio 1, we call it. And we raised €200 million of equity off the back of investor demand really for capital preservation, as well as good income returns each year. And we feel the logistics space can deliver what the investors want. We are strong believers in logistics increasing in importance for the retail sector, driven by e-commerce, by continued offshoring of manufacturing, and therefore we see it as a very defensive play and one that can deliver the 5-6% year-on-year cash distribution that our investors are looking for. And they like the fact that they're in physical assets in case inflation comes along in the medium term. And having made some of our investors made money from the internet, the e-commerce aspect is a key driver for the space, and hence why being in well-located logistics assets, you feel quite sort of safe from any sort of changes that are going to happen in the retail sector, driven by more and more people buying online, and that's really what our investors are looking for. This is what we feel we were able to deliver. We've done 3 transactions, 2 in the Netherlands and 1 in the UK, and we're looking to build off that momentum. In terms of geographies, we're just focused on UK and Benelux. The Benelux we chose because it's really a key gateway for Europe through Rotterdam and Antwerp, 2 very significant ports. And with €200 million of equity, we have around 400 or 500 million of buying power. It was very important for us not to spread ourselves too thinly, to really understand the local market dynamics, and we felt three countries would provide that. And we like the UK just because it's a very mature market, and the fact that it has triple net leases, quite long leases, very attractive from an investor perspective. And also what was important for us was to have some sterling as well as euro exposure within the fund, because we wanted to kind of have both currencies represented. As I said, a lot of our investors are coming from sort of dollar-denominated markets, and so some element of currency diversification was also important for them.